looking for a new laptop, the MSI Venture Pro 16 might be exactly what you need. And I'm making this review is because I get requests from clients all the time asking what kind of laptop they should get for trading. So I decided to cover some of these points in this video to hopefully answer some of your questions as well. Now let's cover some of the specs on this model. As you can tell by the name, it has a 16-inch screen. The one I have here has a 2K OLED display, and we'll get into that a little bit later on. For the CPU, it's running the Intel Core i9-270H paired with a GeForce RTX 5060 with 8GB of VRAM, a 1TB SSD, and two 16GB DDR5 sticks for a total of 32GB of RAM. I picked this MSI Venture Pro because it checks off all, or I should say most of the boxes for what I need it for. Since I'm traveling a lot, I need something that's big and powerful enough to get the job done. That means running multiple trading platforms, doing some coding work, testing and optimizing algos, and handling the usual business tasks like video calls, client sessions, and hosting weekly live trading sessions while I'm on the go. Also a must-have for me, and likely for you as well, is a HDMI port to connect an additional screen for whenever I'm in the office or in a hotel. This one also has a RJ45 Ethernet port, which was a must-have as well. Maybe this is something you don't need depending on what you're using the laptop for, but if you're trading, especially scalping, then a faster and reliable internet connection is a big plus. Having the ability to plug in a cable gives you a more stable internet connection, and aside from being faster, it's also more secure and reliable than Wi-Fi. Of course, your needs might be different, but overall this is a great laptop if you're doing similar work. So this is a higher end business and productivity laptop. And with the GPU it has, you have more than enough power for video editing or even some gaming. The RTX 5060 is a new GPU that Nvidia released last year, and it's part of their new Blackwell architecture. That's what they call this generation. It's definitely not going to let you down in that department. Just keep in mind that not all Venture Pro 16 models come with the same specs. There are different configurations at different price points. So make sure you check that before you're buying one. Another great benefit is that this Venture Pro has a USB-C port that supports video output. That means you can connect two additional screens. So one via HDMI and one via USB-C. So you can have a total of 3 screens, including the display on your laptop. So for those of you who work with multiple screens, this is a great bonus to have. If we open the packaging and take a look at the charging unit, it comes with a 120 watt power brick. It's big but not too big. And to be honest, it looks very basic. If I compare it with one of my older MSI laptops, this one looks pretty cheap. Almost looks like something you would find at a dollar store. Of course, it gets the job done and charges the battery, but it's disappointing that MSI made it look worse than a charger from 7 years ago. You would think that things improve over time, but that's not always the case. At least MSI fixed the hinges, because that was a big problem on some of their older models. You don't have to worry about that on this one. On the right side we have a DC in to connect the charger, a USB Type A, then a USB Type C with display port and power delivery. This is where you can connect an additional external monitor, so you can have one with HDMI and one with this USB Type C. Then finally there is a audio combo jack, that's always nice to have. On the left side it has a Kensington lock and the RJ45 for the best possible internet connection, which is something that's hard to find on a laptop nowadays. Then finally it also has another USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, the same as on the other side. The back of the laptop doesn't have any ports, but you can clearly see the copper heat fins that help keep the laptop cool. They are also visible on the left side. If we turn it around, you can see more of the entire heatsink design with the copper heat pipes. This cooling design and the performance is something MSI is quite proud of. At the top here it has a built-in camera with a camera shutter, which is great for security whenever you're not on a video call. Let's talk about the display. It has a 2K OLED panel, which is a big upgrade because you get incredible contrast, full black colors and extremely fast pixel response. You might not notice that speed as a regular user, but it's one of the things that make this feel more like a high-end laptop. The only real downside is the potential burn-in risk, which is caused by long static images. However, there are a lot of ways to prevent this, and on these newer ones it's not really as big of a problem as it used to be in the past. If we take a look at the overall build quality of this laptop, I would put it in the mid to high end range. It's definitely well built and better than many other laptops on the market, but there are still a few models that give you more of a premium feel compared to this one. The lid is made of an aluminum alloy, but the chassis itself is made of plastic. I do have to say that even though it's plastic, it feels very solid and there is basically no flex at all when you're typing on the keyboard. It's great quality, but it would have given this laptop a better overall appearance if they had used the same alloy for the chassis instead of plastic. Another point is the overall look of this laptop. It has a very clean, subtle design, which I like. It's powerful, but it doesn't look like a gaming laptop. You have to think about the image you want to have if you're serious about trading, you have meetings with clients, or you just work in a business environment in general. So this one definitely has a professional appearance. In terms of weight, it's around 1.9 kilos or 4.19 pounds. And considering the power and the size of this laptop, it's actually very reasonable. So it has a 4-cell 55.2 watt-hour lithium polymer battery, which is a bit lower than what some other laptops offer, but still within a normal range. So because the CPU and the GPU are powerful, your battery life really depends on how intensive your workload is. For example, like light tasks like working with spreadsheets on an Excel or Word, doing some browsing, will last much longer than if you're editing videos, gaming, or compiling codes. If you're trading and running MT5, like MetaTrader 5, that doesn't actually use a lot of power, so the battery will still last a good amount of time. Overall, for most people, especially if you're mainly using it for trading and some general tasks, the battery life shouldn't be an issue, but it really depends what you're doing with the laptop. The Venture Pro AI was designed for AI work, working with artificial intelligence. Now it's debatable if that's a good thing or not. It's nice to have AI to do the work for you, but people become stupid and don't think for themselves anymore. So using AI for certain tasks can be a great help, but you should never fully rely on it. Here we have the Soft4FX Forex simulator running in MT5 and MetaTrader 5. The simulator is a great software to practice trading with no risk before you trade with your own capital. So all my clients use this software during our mentorship with great success. If you don't have it yet, or you're someone who is new to this and wants to learn trading, I'll put the link in the description below and also add another video that shows you how to install it. We covered the main points on this new MSI Venture Pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment below. Share your experience with this laptop or maybe another one that you're using for trading, or maybe you're thinking about buying a new one. And if there's enough interest, I'll make another video after using this laptop for a few months and share some more tips and feedback then. Subscribe for more content and trading education, and we'll see you in the next video. Trade safe.